Good morning, welcome back everyone, hope you're all well. Very misty start to this morning. I'm out in the North Downs and I've got a couple of hours to spare, so I thought just go for a little walk, have a brew, stretch the legs really. It's a little detour. Here's the White Horse Stone. See the mist. Some farm work going on in the background, but yeah, that mist's going to burn off. It's supposed to be a really nice day today. Yeah, it's cool. I like this. I love these woodlands, but it makes you work for it. It's worth it in the end. And what I mean by that are the steps of hell. Look how eerie this looks. Okay, just entering the spot that I found yesterday actually, out on a run at the top of these woods. Here we go. Seems like a nice place to stop. It's like someone's been here already, obviously. You see the mess in a little fire pit there. I'm just going to have a little look around, somewhere to sit, set up, and get a brew on. Yeah, I'm quite happy with the spot. So try something different today. Got the BCB folding stove here. I've just got some of the Fire Dragon gel blocks inside. I think I'd just use that. I've been using the alcohol stove quite a bit, so I thought I'd just try something different today really. Okay, what do I think? So again, it's another one of those peaceful stoves. It's quite satisfying. Takes a bit longer, but it's worth it, I think, in the end. It's just nice. No messing about today either. Straight with the bushcraft lighter. Just keep things simple sometimes, right? Whilst that's boiling, I've got a couple of things to tell you about. So I've got a new piece of kit that I'm trying out, and it's not sort of camping related, it's actually for the camera. So I've got a new external microphone. I say new, it's the first external microphone that I brought actually, and it's I think it's the Rode Video Micro. It's on the deal on Amazon, so I thought I'd give it a go. So hopefully it'll turn out okay. It's one of those directional ones, and dog ran off with the dead cat, you know, the wind noise reducing thing, whatever it's called. So I prized that back out the jaws of the dog, but I'm not using that today. It needs to dry out, get the slobber out of it. But yeah, just thought, do you know what, sometimes even though the GoPro microphones have really come along over the years, sometimes it's better just to have one that has a bit more oomph to it. So see what happens. Looks like someone's living up here permanently. Left all their rubbish again. It's everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Lovely little place. Lots of people are using it, which is great. I can understand why. It's really, really nice, but don't leave your rubbish. Take it home, lazy sods. Cool enough now. That's a good bit of kit, that folding stove. The gel that I used actually burnt for another 4 minutes, 5 minutes afterwards. So more than enough time to get a brew or two on. Probably would need to replace it obviously if I was going to cook anything or boil a lot more water, but yeah, decent. It's good to try these different things though, isn't it? Right, well, I think that's me. Just going to start packing up now and head back down. It's a lot easier to get out of here downhill, he says. But yeah, I think I'm definitely going to come back to this place. It's a shame about all of the rubbish and stuff that's been left. Again, I'll take what I can with me, but there's some bits and pieces that I'm just not going near at all. Take your rubbish with you. Let's not pretend that we don't carry kit for filming with us. It's got to go in the bag as well. before I go, I just want to tell you what I've got planned in the coming weeks. So I've got a Woodland overnighter, so really looking forward to that. And I've got a couple more sort of day camp type things planned. So that should take me up until the end of October. Yeah, looking forward to doing a bit more this autumn and hopefully winter as well coming up. So yeah, stay tuned for that really. Right, that's me done. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take care, and I'll see you next time on Higgsybear Outdoors. Bye for now.